Hi, I'm Kaylin Diamond, a consumer protection attorney here at Ziegler Diamond Law. If you've completed a bankruptcy case but are still receiving collection calls or letters, you're not alone. Today, we'll cover why this happens and how to make it stop for good. A bankruptcy discharge means that your qualifying debts are legally wiped from your responsibility. And creditors for those debts are prohibited from contacting you to try to collect any debts after that bankruptcy discharge order has been entered. Now, this applies to most types of consumer debts, but not all debts like taxes or federal student loans. Now, once the bankruptcy court enters that discharge order and confirms that you are legally relieved of responsibility to pay those debts, the creditors whose debts have been discharged should stop contacting you. But sometimes a creditor doesn't stop, and those actions can violate federal and state law. Some signs that a creditor may be ignoring your discharge includes sending you collection letters or calls trying to collect a discharged debt, threatening to sue you for a debt that was included and discharged in your bankruptcy case. A new collection agency is reaching out to you to collect a debt that you know was discharged in your bankruptcy case, or your credit report is showing that even though your debt was discharged, there's still a balance owed or continued late payment reporting. So if there's a creditor ignoring your bankruptcy discharge, here's a few steps to complete. Number one, let that creditor know that your bankruptcy discharged the subject debt. They may ask you to send them a copy of your discharge order, which we would recommend that you do to show them that the debt has been discharged. Two, keep detailed records of these communications. The communications you're receiving may violate federal and state law, and the more evidence that you have regarding these communications, the more that you may be able to do to vindicate those rights. Three, if you had an attorney in your bankruptcy case, notify them about the continued conduct. And four, file a consumer protection lawsuit against the violating creditor. In some cases, the violations of federal and state law for the creditor continuing to try to collect a debt that was discharged in your bankruptcy case could give rise to a consumer protection lawsuit when that creditor knows that the debt was discharged but tries to collect anyways. If creditors are ignoring your bankruptcy discharge, you don't have to tolerate it. Here at Ziegler Diamond Law, we have helped many consumers fight back against creditors that have ignored bankruptcy discharges. Click the link below to schedule a free consultation so that we can further discuss this possible creditor harassment today. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more legal insights and information about consumer protection laws. Have questions about your bankruptcy or consumer rights? Drop the link in the comments below. I get to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and remember, your bankruptcy discharge should not be ignored by your creditors. Let's make sure the creditors respect it. See you next time.